Hi guys, Crystal here from ChristaCoDesign. Today I'm going to show you how to single crochet 3 together. You'll often see this abbreviated as SC3TOG. I have a few rows here of just regular single crochets worked up, and then I started this row with a single crochet and then our first single crochet 3 together. So I'm going to insert my hook into my first stitch to be decreased, yarn over and pull up a loop. Then I'm going to put my hook into the next stitch, yarn over, pull up a loop, and into the third stitch to be decreased, yarn over and pull up a loop. Now I have 4 loops on my hook, yarn over and pull through all 4 of those. And now I have single crocheted 3 together. It's also used in the single crochet cluster stitch.